Good morning guys and welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday. Jess, just say hi.
Hi.
Don't be weird. It's such a beautiful day, but I want to show you what we have created for Wolf just yesterday.
It's a prison.
It really is. So, coming up next will be more of our moving vlog, which is us moving a lot of this stuff out and all the stuff in the bathroom out. But now, because of that scare we had the other night where we had to go to the hospital, I got a little bit like crazy and wanted to just make sure that this was completely clear for him. So now it is. And where'd you get these, Jess? Trade me. They're like such good condition, hey? Not good condition, good quality. Yeah? Good. He doesn't give me much to work with, guys. He doesn't talk much.
It's the morning. I'm just
Sheesh.
up. I'm starving.
I'm starving too.
You won't make me anything. What am I gonna eat?
See what I have to deal with. I think we might just do a day in the life / what we eat in a day, because Wolf eats so much. And we obviously eat a lot too, with me breastfeeding and Jessie just being in Coleman. We might go to the beach today because it's such a nice day.
Feel some? Feel some?
Yeah, I do, but can you not be so rustly? Lovely. Thanks, baby. So apologies about the wind, guys, but we're right on the beach. So this is the sunscreen that I ended up getting for Wolf. It is the Skinnies brand. It's a New Zealand brand and it's a gel formula. And the reason I chose it was basically because it's the gel formula, so it doesn't go white. You can put it on straight away. It doesn't have any water in it, so it's like a little bit more sustainable. It doesn't go white on their skin. You can put it on them and they can instantly go in the sun. They don't have to wait 20 minutes. It's water resistant for 2 hours, whereas most baby ones are only water resistant for like 40 minutes. It's SPF 50 and you only need like the smallest amount. Sorry about the wind again. And it's also UVA and UVB. But I just wanted to let you guys know, in case you wanted to know for your babies coming into summer, it's so easy to apply as well. Like imagine applying paw ointment to your baby. That's essentially what the consistency is like, and it smells so good. So it is a little bit more expensive for a smaller like bottle than
Just a little bit.
but it's genuinely worth it, because a little bit does go a long way, which is their slogan. Plus, how cute is the packaging? Lunchtime for Wolfie. When we were at home, I just steamed up some broccoli for him, and I actually made him some, hold on, can you hold that, Wolfie? Can you hold it with your hand? Hold it. Good boy. And I made him some zucchini fritters. And for us, I just brought us some hummus and corn chips, a banana bread, blue dinosaur bar, some oranges. So it'll just be snacks for us, but by the time we get home, it'll be about 1 for Wolf's midday naps, and then that's when we will have our actual lunch. But we wanted to obviously have some snacks here, and we got coffees before we came, so yeah, it's like perfect weather to be sitting in the sun. It's so nice and warm, but not like scorching hot.
Yeah.
Do you want to touch the sand for the first one?
Just like me, it must be a good thing. Another night when I don't even know you came this way. Now you're acting so different than back when we had it easy. Now you don't believe me when I say I'll change.
You must let him eat it.
But how can I listen
Why not?
Why would I?
It's good for him.
Silence way too loud.
Buddy, how you going? How you going?
I won't be okay without you every day. Baby, don't run away. Baby, don't throw our love away.
Oh, I got sand all on my eye from his feet. I don't want to touch the water, guys.
Baby, don't throw
Too cold for him. How's that, puppy?
our love away.
Cold. His face. Wolfie. Papa. Oh, sweetheart, it's too cold.
Just like me, stay together.
You did so good, though.
Up another perfect night when all you ever did was treat me right, give love and everything that I needed. No, it won't be
Hello, beautiful.
darling, please believe.
Hey guys, we are back home from the beach. I have to show you Jesse, he's just putting the cloth nappies out. But if any of you know him, you know, especially when he's working or on a mission, he's just like moving so fast. He smacked the door into his nose and it started to bleed because he was trying to get the baby out of the car quickly so that we could transition him to his cot for his nap, and he smashed his nose, and I was like, babe, you just have to slow down. All of his work clothes and stuff, because he's a builder, just have like all these nicks out of them because he walks into nails and all these different bits and rips his clothes. Anyway, we're back home now. We had such a nice time at the beach. It is 1:30, so Wolf is down for his nap. We are about to have lunch. Okay, so it wasn't that the beach wasn't relaxing, right? It wasn't not relaxing, but it wasn't relaxing. We fed Wolf, obviously, as you guys saw, but we didn't eat. I didn't finish my coffee until the drive home. That'll be the best part, I think, about going away with all of our friends to Pawanui in 2 weeks, is that we'll have other people there with us. So, you know, if we want to just like eat or chill for a bit, other people will be like, yeah, I'll play with him and stuff. It's so much more fun when it's all shared in that respect. It's not to say that like being a parent isn't fun. Like, it was really nice to be at the beach, just us. But it's the benefit of when you have people around who love your kid as much as you and they want to be a part of it. And anyway, I'm rambling, but really, really nice weekend. It feels like summertime. Show us your nose, babe. Dead mouse.
Where? Oh my gosh.
Samson must have got that. Just gotta slow down, don't you, babe?
No time for that.
No time. He's on the go. He's on the go. Yuck. I'll make us some lunch. You go, babe. Tell me what it's like. Let it sink into your taste buds. Sad. We're gonna have to vlog on the iPhone for a quick section because I am exporting tonight's vlog. Here is dinner for Wolfie. He's never had beans before.
Carrot and asparagus.
Oh. Sounds like a horrible dinner. Okay guys, last meal of the day is a pretty standard one for us. It's just vegetarian nachos. Usually I would put like tomato and what's it called? Iceberg lettuce on top, but we don't actually have either of those, so it's just a little plain Jane, and we're both quite full still from those sandwiches we had at lunchtime. So yeah, Jessie and I are just going to eat this. I'm just going to pop some savory yeast flakes on it for like a cheesy effect, and we're just watching the 100 right now. We've restarted it from the beginning, and I'm gonna go to the Allens and upload my vlog for you guys. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this what we eat in a day, and also just day in the life of us at the beach and stuff. We really enjoyed it. Hey babe, you enjoyed today?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're both really tired though. You know how being in the sun just makes you extra tired? Anyway, we will see you guys in the next vlog. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and if even one thing helped you relate or understand, I said that the wrong way around, then I have done my job. Peace out guys, see ya!